It's officially our last vlog in this van.
Oh, can it be that you're here with me? Let's start writing our own history. Let's take this road, oh, this winding, winding road. Let's just take the long way home. You've got me running in
It's officially our last vlog in this van.
It's bittersweet, but we are making a little date night out of it, so it should be a fun night.
We have just been arguing for the past 20 minutes about how to start this vlog and whether or not we should be doing it at our first stop, which is we're in the parking lot right now, or should we do it at a rest stop. My back's currently killing me right now because I was reaching for the easy pass. So we're off to a great start. It's supposed to be reminiscing of our memories in this van, and right now it just feels like a bit of a chore.
Which also sometimes kind of is accurate.
So,
A little bit.
bear with us. We're at Cape May Brewery, which is like 40 minutes south of our home. They have a drink special right now, which is a partnership with Wawa, which is Taylor's literal favorite place on earth for a convenience store. I'll give that as a
True,
caveat. So, fingers crossed they have it. It's probably
Yeah.
going to be packed in there, so we're not going to be like vlogging in there because it's just awkward carrying a giant camera in a tight space at like a bar. Maybe we'll grab a couple clips. But if they don't have it, we're out of here.
We'll see you in 5 seconds.
Yeah, we're out of here. But welcome to the last vlog in the van.
Yeah, should be a good one. Hopefully, if we can get it back on pace.
Yeah, and get back to like lovey-dovey relationship stuff. But all right,
All right,
it's
let's
hot
roll.
in here.
I'm sweating. Oh, forgot my purse. That would help.
Can't keep both feet on the ground. Let's just
We
keep
have arrived.
spinning, spinning. Just keep going around, going around. Nothing but sunshine, sunshine and happiness.
Flight master?
That tastes like Wawa Peach iced tea. What's the verdict on the Wawa tea?
Delicious.
We also have a popular Sea Isle ice tea that Taylor likes as well. So
Yeah, this one is based off the Wawa peach tea. So it's a little peachy. So if you're not up for peach, Sea Isle iced tea or Sea Isle tea is the way to go. But this one was pretty delicious.
2 local tea drinks. Basically like, what was it, Twisted Teas? Basically like Twisted Teas, but they're local, so it's cooler, I guess.
And I think they're better. I've never really been a Twisted Tea drinker. These ones are more tea. They just taste like iced tea rather than like alcohol.
Yep. Now it's time to pick up food. And then it's date night. We just got our meal from Primo's Hoagies. If you're ever in South Jersey and you're interested in hoagies, Primo's are really, really good.
So good.
Now we're going to our Harvest Host for the night.
Sit outside, enjoy the scenery.
Drink some wine, eat some
gonna be a great
dinner, reminisce.
We're gonna finish off the night with Ted Lasso.
Oh my good Lord, what a feeling. All of this joy I've been stealing. I'll need
How's it going for the night, baby?
We have officially made it to our last stop.
This is a Harvest Host, so it's a winery. If you're not familiar with Harvest Host, I recommend you get familiar if you're considering van life or RV life, or if you just like the car camp in nice places.
Always waiting on one. Oh God, I was running to the door.
Did you not hear my comment?
I ignored your comment.
I said, if you guys are wondering why we don't have any nice B-roll clip entering the parking lot, you know, the one with the camera in her hand decided not to get out and film it.
Take your time.
I'm putting on my shoes. Jeez.
Check out Rico Suave.
Rico? Funny name.
I mean, doesn't he look good in his new shoes?
What should we do with the food?
Eat it?
Serious, serious question. We probably have food now that I'm looking at it.
It's a winery.
Can't stop now. Can't stop, won't stop, don't stop
We're on.
now. Can't stop, won't stop, don't stop now. Don't stop now.
This is what I wish our vineyards looked like our wedding. Ours were a little bit more dead.
Well, it was October.
I know.
Jeez, can never win. So Taylor's making me eat this grape that has seeds in it,
It's really sour.
and there's coating all over it.
Don't try it if you don't want. So sour. It's a white wine grape, I think. You loved it. So we learned when we got our drink and when we signed in for our Harvest Host that we could park anywhere along the grass and we don't have to just stay in the parking lot. So we're gonna park back here. There's a little more grassy, a little more out of the way, and set up our chairs for the night. Also, I apologize if it is super shaky. I only have one arm.
Where should we go?
Probably back there.
Alright. Sounds good. Now, our favorite time of the night.
It's level.
Determine if we're level or
It's
not.
level.
It's level?
You happy with our home?
I think we're pretty level, to be honest.
Can any other wives relate where you tell your husband exactly where things are, yet they still look in every spot but where they are?
It's next to the ketchup, Taylor. It's next to the ketchup.
What do you gotta say for yourself?
I'm gonna say my wife is pretty rude as of late.
What? I packed up the whole van.
Well, I need to charge the van,
To charge the van.
the phone, so we could.
Stay just a bit longer. We can talk about it later. Hold me a little, just a little closer. Don't stop.
How is it? Fertile?
I mean, why is it so straight?
So straight.
Yeah, it's not all that comfortable, but hey, looks comfortable.
Temperature is nice though. It's not.
Temperature's great.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I think I felt a raindrop.
Did you feel a raindrop already?
I think I felt a raindrop.
Well, that's gonna wrap this up pretty quick.
Oh, I felt another.
Did you?
I did. Alright, so reminiscing on our van times.
Well, now you got me worried about rain.
Funniest moment in the van.
Ow. I just got bit by a bug. My funniest moment in the van was when you were in Baja and it was San Felipe and Taylor, it was low tide. We walked really far out
Get the sand dollars.
to get the sand dollars, and then we were really close to the van and it was like super muddy, nasty sand, and Taylor decided to go 70% of the way there just to like get through the last 30 and she would be in the van, and she turned all the way around freaking out. It was hilarious.
That was disgusting.
Even right here is gross?
Oh, yes, 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 yes.
Oh.
I'm not going that way. I'm covered in mud. Absolutely disgusting.
That was probably the funniest moment ever.
I still like the toothpaste.
The toothpaste clip never made it into a vlog.
Never made it into a vlog, but
And I'll have to dig this up. Hopefully I
Kevin
find it.
was taping some morning clip. I think it was the morning. Maybe it was at night.
It was
It
morning.
was dark in the van. And he had a huge load of toothpaste right there. And he was just chatting like he had no clue, which he probably didn't. But like, how do you not feel that? It's minty. It tingles.
Dries your skin a little bit too. Yeah, I should have felt it. But it was early in the morning and I had no idea.
Favorite parking spot?
Utah is probably up there.
Utah.
Virginia was up there.
I knew that's what I was expecting you to say.
Virginia was up there big time.
I think mine might have been Todos. Had service on the beach, Mexico. Beautiful. The only thing that would make
Pastora, right?
Todos even better if it was 9 Palms with service.
Yeah, service would be pretty good.
Or
But we were
La
there during
Ventana
COVID year, so
with
there was
service.
less crowd. Less crowd.
La Ventana service.
Oh, La Ventana.
The views.
There's no waves.
Well, it's a nice view. You can see the water, at least from the van.
I liked outside of Mammoth too, near the hot springs. I like
Oh, that was
area.
a great spot.
I like that a lot.
That was great. Warm weather van life or cold weather van life?
Both are good. Both are great, honestly. I love them both. I thought the snowboard trip was like the funnest thing ever, and I think the Baja adventure was amazing too. So I would do it all over again. Would you?
Yeah, they're both great. I think I'd go Baja a million times, but if it wasn't Baja, I'd go winter.
Just being able to move when you're snowboarding is so nice, like different places. But to be fair, it is nice to be able to like just ski in, ski out of the hotel.
That's really nice.
So, I don't know. So once this van is sold, we're going to be buying a new van. If you saw our It's Over video, then you already know that. But we need 4 seats, so that's kind of why we're selling this one. Not because she's pregnant yet. We already covered this. But eventually she will be, hopefully. Knock on wood.
Not at the same
I
time.
don't really have wood here, though.
What are other some good memories in the van? When I got air in Mammoth. That was a legendary
When
moment.
you
I
got-
mean,
Ooh.
those 6 inches off the ground.
Oh yeah,
It was a mini jump, but I did it. Should have gone pro at that moment.
I mean, your snowboarding skills from the beginning of the trip to the end, or like where you are now, is drastically a big improvement.
It also helps that we go to places that have pretty good powder.
Snow. Yeah.
Canada, that trip was great. Had a lot of fun in Canada.
That was.
Those Christmas markets were really nice. I thought that was a really good trip.
But the coldest we've ever been in the van was actually in Vermont. It's 2:30 in the morning and it's -9 degrees. Our fuel line is frozen.
It is officially too cold for van life.
And we went
When
in
it did freeze.
George's house and it was
Diesel
like
froze.
-22 and the fuel line froze. So the diesel heater couldn't suck any diesel because it got so jelly that it just stopped working. So thank God we were at George's
Oh my
house,
God,
parked
that would've
outside of it.
sucked.
Otherwise we would have froze.
Yeah, that would have been terrible.
It was like 33 degrees when we woke up in the van. I don't know, like the best moment though in the van, the best moment had to be Baja.
I feel like the best moment was probably making it to 9 Palms because we raced down there. And then we met Greg and Jess. And it was just like, from then on, it was just so nice.
Like true freedom.
One you wanted, you could take that job they offered, move down by the ocean. But I love the way your hand feels when it's under mine.
That was good. But I also really enjoyed our first trips. Like Newport, when we pulled up to that free camping spot right along the water.
That was epic.
That was like the first time we were like, wow, we can sleep in places like this.
Yeah, and we're right next to probably like a $10 million house. getting the same views that they are.
Or like Maine, we would have never visited Stony Brook?
Stone Bridge?
No, Stony something. Or Kennebunk. Well, we might have visited Kennebunkport, but probably not Camden. And that was a really, really cool little town.
I mean, there's so many places that we wouldn't have visited, really, if it wasn't for the van. It's like hit and run places, like White Sand National Park in New Mexico. Like,
When we raced down the dunes.
oh, that was fun.
I won.
Did you win?
I don't remember.
I don't think so.
But since you can't remember, I'm gonna go with that.
I don't think so. Oh, that's a good pet. No, no.
Yes! Yes! I do wish we went to Yosemite in the van. We were so close. We literally passed it.
Yeah, but in the winter you can't go that route.
I know, but that would have been my one. If we could have made it, that would be my one true regret. Because Yosemite is just incredible.
7:36.
Said last time.
Yeah, when we want to get in the van and start.
It's getting a little buggy.
Yeah. Getting ready. All right. Let's set it up.
I think more could come out of it. Honestly.
You gotta pull the hair.
No.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do. I know that.
First of all,
You gotta pull that hair right there. Pluck that out.
Okay,
No, look. See?
oh yeah.
That was literally immediate. Immediate.
Oh god.
Tell me I'm right. Say it. Say it. Say it.
I mean.